Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. I'm in my bathroom right now, looking up at the channel, seeing that I started a t-shirt competition like 3 weeks ago. And there's only 4 persons into the competition. I don't know why, I don't know what happened. Some people said they don't see the video. So this is just a second attempt to give away 2 free t-shirts. I'm just promoting my t-shirts so you guys can buy them, but I'm giving away 2 free as well. And I'm just saying to enter the competition. Just tell me the reason why, follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and just leave your name. And I'll select a winner. I already created a formula in Excel to create the random winner. I need more people in the competition. 1 female, 1 male is going to win a t-shirt. So 1 jelly bean, 1 gingerbread is going to win the t-shirt. So there's 2 t-shirts, 1 for male, 1 for female. Just enter the competition. It's easy. It's just a free t-shirt, and hopefully you guys will support me with the t-shirts and stuff like that. Buy your own t-shirt. I know Shani bought a t-shirt already. I really appreciate that. So it's an easy competition. So I'm just going to upload this 1 minute plus video. You guys just enter the competition, because I can't believe it that people like refuse or not want to like win a t-shirt. Like, who doesn't want to win a t-shirt? But yeah, just enter the competition. It's simple as that, guys. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm uploading this just like that, not even editing it now. Enter the competition. We're gone.